How to delete post from Instagram. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this quick video we are going to see that if you have uploaded some post on your Instagram profile, how we can delete that. So first of all, just click on the profile icon from the bottom right. And once you are in here, just open the particular post that you want to delete. In my case, it's this one right here. And once we click here, just click on the three dots from the top. And once we are in here, we can see all the options that you can do here. So in this case, it's this one right here. This is the post. The other ones are reel. What we can do here is just click on this particular picture. And once we are in here, just click on this three dots right here. And all the way down to the bottom, you can see this delete option. Just click on that. Make sure you click on delete again. And that's it. This is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, if you want to learn more about Instagram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.